In which country is the death penalty given for taking dowry? A. China, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Bangladesh. Correct answer is C. Bangladesh. Which is the largest country in the world? A. USA, B. Russia, C. Canada. Correct answer is B. Russia. Which was the first Indian bank to open a branch in China? A. Punjab National Bank, B. State Bank of India, C. Bank of India. Correct answer is B. State Bank of India. In which country is potato farming done? A. China, B. Pakistan, C. Egypt. Correct answer is A. China. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Maldives, B. Vatican City, C. Monaco. Correct answer is B. Vatican City. What is the national bird of the United States of America? A. Golden eagle, B. American robin, C. Bald eagle. Correct answer is C. Bald eagle. Which city is known as the city of temples and ghats? A. Ujjain, B. Varanasi, C. Haridwar. Correct answer is B. Varanasi. Which state produces the most gold in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Karnataka. Which Indian state is known as the land of temples? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. What is the height of the Taj Mahal? A. 73 meters, B. 57 meters, C. 89 meters. Correct answer is A. 73 meters. Which is the fastest running train? A. Vande Bharat Express, B. Bullet train, C. Hayabusa. Correct answer is C. Hayabusa. Who gets the highest salary? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Governor. Correct answer is B. President. Which city is known as the Electronic City? A. Hyderabad, B. Bengaluru, C. Pune. Correct answer is B. Bengaluru. From which animal's milk curd cannot be made? A. Camel, B. Cow, C. Buffalo. Correct answer is A. Camel. Where is salt produced the most in India? A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. After how many years are the Olympic Games held? A. 3 years, B. 5 years, C. 4 years. Correct answer is C. 4 years. Which is the hardest substance? A. Iron, B. Diamond, C. Steel. Correct answer is B. Diamond. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Earth, B. Venus, C. Mercury. Correct answer is C. Mercury. In how many days does the moon complete one revolution around the Earth? A. 30 days, B. 27.3 days, C. 29 days. Correct answer is B. 27.3 days. Which country is considered the birthplace of cricket? A. India, B. Australia, C. England. Correct answer is C. England.